Hello guys and welcome back to Maxi channel. As usual, we prepared another epic episode for you to enjoy. And if you like my work, then don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as well. With that being said, we can now enjoy this episode. Sit back and press play. Angry old Darren was upset because these bikers were riding around and the bike's noise was the issue here. However, they didn't ride over his property and a crazy argument unfolded immediately.
I said, bring it here.
What?
You need to stop riding around here, alright?
You need to back up, man. Calm down.
Mate, you need to stop riding around here, alright?
Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
Is this thing registered?
What?
What? Come on, mate. Come here. Come on.
Don't grab me. We're just following him.
Where do you live?
I'm not telling you.
I've asked you this before and you lied, you.
Of course I did. I'm not telling you my address.
Break your nose right now.
Don't hurt me.
Hey.
Listen.
What?
My dog hates bikes. Alright?
Dude, stop.
I don't want to see any bikes around here. Alright?
It's the first time I've been down here.
Oh well.
First time?
Yeah,
Not
mate.
his first time.
Right.
Well, okay.
The way
First
you
time. Rules. No
You don't
bikes
have to
around
swear
here.
at me, mate. Seriously.
Seriously?
Yeah. It's my first time down here. You don't have to swear
Mate,
at
do
me.
you think it's the first time a bike's come down here?
Yeah, but it's my first time down here, mate.
Oh.
So.
Hey. Out of here.
Yeah,
Just
Now.
never come back, alright?
Okay. Well, what do you have to ask, man, eh?
Oh, what? Well, that's what did.
Well, get in the house off here.
Well, once before he has.
No, I have not.
Has.
No, I have not. Like, I'm an easy-going bloke. Like,
Yeah,
if
so are we.
there's one
So are we.
If he's caused trouble, just let me know. Like,
Oh, he lied where he lived last time.
oh, rightio.
Okay.
A crazy truck driver thought that the biker was showing him the finger and he followed him for quite a while because of that. This is what happened when he finally caught up to him.
What's up?
Why did you throw me gloves? To catch these hands! Yeah! Yeah!
What's up, bro?
Hey, yo,
What is it?
What?
What, you flipping me off? What, you
Oh,
think
no,
you're
I
cool?
wasn't-
What, man?
I wasn't flipping you off.
No, get the gun.
I
man.
wasn't flipping you off. Hey!
These bikers passed a priest who was driving a BMW. He got upset because they passed him over a double solid yellow line. And let's just say that he didn't make the wisest choice.
With that guy?
What?
You with that guy?
I can't hear
Are you with that guy?
I mean, I'm riding with the yellow guy.
Tell me who the guy is.
I have no idea.
Well, tell him when I find him on the beat his hand.
Are you gonna... You'll probably catch up to us.
Huh?
You'll probably catch up to
Where
us.
at?
Somewhere up there.
All right, good.
All right. The guy on the blue bike?
Yeah, the guy who pulled up and cut me off. And
Yeah, he's not with us. The guy on the yellow bike's with us.
yeah.
The guy on the blue bike's not with us.
Who is he?
I have no idea.
All right.
We were just following him.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, he tried to block me for you.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't going to get in front of you guys.
Yeah.
A bike doesn't win versus a car on the road, man.
Yeah, it's just stupid.
Yeah.
It gives everybody, every one of you a bad name.
Yeah, no, I wasn't about to pass.
I asked him if he was with you. I didn't paint you. I said he gave you all a bad name. Right? Just like the guy driving the BMW would give me a bad name.
Be careful.
Can we get in front?
Yeah,
This is what happens when you don't pay attention at the road ahead.
Yo! What the f? Are you kidding me? I'm fine.
Sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Stupid mother.
The driver in the far left lane was cutting across multiple lanes and he almost hit the biker in the process.
Ты чё, come on, fucking scared me.
Some drivers really don't like it when bikers are filtering. They get jealous from time to time and something like this might happen.
Boy, you don't recording? Hold on, let me get your plate, boy. Hold on. What's good with you, boy? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up, you lane sprinting? Let's split.
What? You need help speak?
Through your mother.
You see, boy, I got you on camera, boy. What the Man, I'm just trying to do my DoorDash that's literally right here.
Little did this biker know that he was being watched and followed by another biker for quite a while now. They were bike thieves who tried to rob him. Always strive to help the ones in need if you can. It will return to you, certainly.
There you go, my friend. Yeah, no, this is gonna help you. All right, take care.
This biker was lane splitting and he didn't notice that the state trooper was stuck in the traffic as well. Unfortunately for him, the state trooper noticed the biker and he pulled him over, and this is what happened afterwards.
Oh snap. I didn't even see him right there.
Turn your bike on. You recording right now?
Yeah.
You're recording right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's audibly and visually recorded. I'm sure called with Maryland State Police. The reason I'm stopping you is you're splitting the lanes coming up through there, man.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can't do that. Alright, it's no worries. I'm not worried about it. I'm just really honestly stopping to let you know, and I appreciate you for stopping.
Okay.
Can I see your license registration, please? Alright, just hang tight for me, okay? Thank you. Mr. Perry, here's your license, sir. So, wrote your warning, operating a motorcycle between rows of cars. It's essentially what lane spinning is. Yeah, no problem. I appreciate you stopping for me, man. Just keep doing what you're doing. You just gotta wait in line with the rest of us, man. That's alright.
Thank you.
Alright, sir, be safe.
Alright.
Biker had to brake all of a sudden because the traffic stopped. A snapping turtle was the reason for a traffic holdup, and the biker did what any good person would do in this situation.
But what I have now is ooh, let's see if they're okay. You got it? Yeah. All right, man. I know. I see you, buddy. Yeah, he's mad. Thank you.
This biker went out to have some fun with the cops. He tried to joke with them a bit by asking if they wanted to race him. This is their reaction.
Wanna race?
What's that?
You wanna race?
No.
Why not? You'd probably win.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
Oh, what's up, buddy?
But he's in the middle of taking a case right now.
Oh, is he?
So.
Oh, okay, my bad. I didn't know. All right, guys. Sing that.
And for the next part of this episode, I prepared some crazy traffic encounters when it comes to drivers and driving fails. If you're a driver yourself, never act like a guy in this clip.
Wow. Oh my god. What is that person doing?
I don't know, man.
What is this guy doing? Like, really? You think you have the right to do that as an Amazon driver?
What are you doing?
What a dumbass.
Leave.
This driver witnessed a hit-and-run situation, and he immediately gave chase to the one who was fleeing the scene. After some chasing around, he managed to cut him off and stop him while being on the phone with the police.
The license plate is what we need, sir. What's the plate?
No. I'm right here at 18042. Stop. I got him on camera. Stop. Sit on the street. Sit on the street. Stop. Brother, sit down. Sit down. No. Sit right. I'm on. Sit down.
Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Sit down. Don't move. Sit down. Don't move. Can you hear me? I'm at
Yes, I can hear you. You're at 18042 here?
I'm at 18033. I don't know the name of this street.
A driver lost control of his vehicle due to bad road conditions and he ended up in a ditch. Another driver pulled up to check on him to see if everything was okay. This driver came across a minor accident on the freeway, where the white car spun out due to snow and clipped the back of the truck. He checked on both of the drivers for injuries and stayed until they could get a hold of a tow truck for the car. This driver was really drunk, as you can see for yourselves, as he swerved from lane to lane, endangering everyone in traffic, including himself. Several people called the police, including the driver with the dashcam.
Like, seriously?
In this situation, a driver lost control and slid up onto a rock on the side of the driveway. With some help from the driver, they used a jack to lift the vehicle, while this kind guy who pulled over towed back onto the roadway and got the driver along their way.
We're still gonna need now.
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from the mistakes shown in these clips. Until the next episode, eyes wide open and take care.